Hi everyone, my name is Nkateko Maluleke and I'm a sales executive here at Galencia Properties. And today I want to share with you the relationship between inflation, taxes, and buying new developments. So reason number one, appreciation in price. Properties built within developments tend to appreciate faster because they're built in newer areas fitted with newer features. Reason number two, rental income growth. New properties tend to demand higher rent and they tend to match inflation quite faster, whereas older properties require massive amounts of renovations just to keep up with the rental escalations. And number three is maintenance costs. New properties come with warranties. So here at Galencia Properties, we cover structural and plumbing. That's less money spent out of your pocket. So saving and investment has very little to do with tax write-offs and transfer costs included with the purchase. But instead, it's about the small details: maintenance, new developments in new areas, like the one we have here at Galencia Properties.